Good morning. I'm Janie Howell, President of the Denton-Wise County Association of Realtors. I wanted to personally invite you to our installation of officers and board of directors this Thursday, January 9th at 6 o'clock at the UNT Gateway. It's going to be one party you don't want to miss. See you there.
There we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is